strong. Today, we'll learn English step by step. We'll start with greetings, then move to numbers, days of the week, common objects, food and drinks, some daily activities, vil, some daily activities, sometimes, do not worry, perfect. Let's begin. Part 1, Greetings. Phase on. Okay, let's start with greetings. How to say hello and goodbye in English. That's useful. Phase on. Yes, it is. When you meet someone, you can say hello. Hello, phase on. Very good. You can also say hi. It means the same thing. Zane, hi. Great job. Now let's practice both. Say after me. Hello, Zane. Hello, hi, Zane. Wonderful. Now, when you meet someone in the morning, you can say good morning. Zane, good morning. Phase on. When it's afternoon, say good afternoon. Zane, good afternoon. Phase on. And in the evening, say good evening. Zane, good evening. Phase on. Very nice, Zane. Thank you. Teacher. Phase on. And when you leave, you can say goodbye. Zane, goodbye. Phase on. Or simply bye. Zane, bye. Perfect. Now let's review. Listeners, repeat after us. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Bye. Easy and fun. Yes. Great start. Now, let's learn numbers. Are you ready, Zane? I'm ready. Okay. We'll start from 1 to 10. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. You did very well. Zane, thank you. Faizan, let's practice slowly. Say after me. 1. Zane. 1. 2. Zane. 2. 3. Zane. 3. 4. Zane. 4. 5. Zane. 5. Faizan. 6. Zane. 6. Faizan. 7. Zane. 7. Faizan. 8. Zane. 8. Faizan. 9. Zane. 10. Zane. 10. Great. Now let's count together. 1 to 10. Both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Faizan. Wonderful. Zane. Yay. Faizan. Listeners, now it's your turn. Count from 1 to 10. Ready? Go. Pause for a few seconds. Faizan. Well done. Part 3, Days of the Week. Faizan. Next, let's learn the days of the week. Zane. Oh, that's useful too. Faizan. Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Listen first. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days. Monday to Sunday. Faizan. Exactly. Let's say them slowly. Repeat after me. Monday. Zane, Monday. Faizan, Tuesday. Zane, Tuesday. Faizan, Wednesday. Zane, Wednesday. Faizan, Thursday. Zane, Thursday. Faizan, Friday. Zane, Friday. Saturday. Zane, Saturday. Faizan, Sunday. Zane, Sunday. Great. Now, Zane. What day is the first day? Zane, Monday. Faizan. Correct. And what's the last day? Zane. Sunday. Faizan. Perfect. Let's say all the days again, slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Zane. I love it. Good. Listeners, now you try. Say the days of the week. Pause. Excellent. Part 4. Common objects. Now let's learn some common objects. Things we see every day. Zane. Like what? Faizan. Like a book, a pen, a chair, and a table. Zane. Oh, I know those words. Faizan. That's great. Let's practice pronunciation. Book. Zane. Book. Faizan. Pen. Pen. Faizan. Chair. Chair. Table. Table. Excellent. Now let's make small sentences. This is a book. Zane. This is a book. This is a pen. Zane. This is a pen. Faizan. That is a chair. Zane. That is a chair. That is a table. Zane. That is a table. Faizan. Wonderful. Zane. Thank you. Faizan. Listeners, look around you. What objects can you see? Can you say, this is a? Try it now. Pause. Very good. Part 5, Food and Drinks. Now let's talk about food and drinks. Everyone loves food. Oh yes, I'm hungry already. Faizan. Ha! Let's start with some simple words. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Faizan. Rice. Rice. Bread. Bread. Juice. Juice. Great. Now let's use them in sentences. I eat an apple. Zane. I eat an apple. Faizan. I like bananas. Zane. I like bananas. Faizan. I eat rice. Zane. I eat rice. Faizan. I drink water. Zane. I drink water. I drink juice. Zane. I drink juice. Faizan. Wonderful. Zane. Yum, I like food. Faizan. Me too. Now listeners, repeat after us. Apple. Banana. Rice. Bread. Water. Juice. Zane. Great practice. Part 6. Daily activities. Faizan. Next, let's learn some daily activities. Things we do every day. Zane. Okay. Faizan. Listen carefully. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to school. Come home. Sleep. That sounds like my day. Faizan. Stop. Yes. Let's say them one by one. Wake up. Zane. Wake up. Faizan. Brush teeth. Zane. Brush teeth. Faizan. Eat breakfast. Zane. Eat breakfast. Faizan. Go to work. Zane. Go to work. Faizan. Go to school. Zane. Go to school. Faizan. Come home. Zane. Come home. Faizan. Sleep. Zane. Sleep. Faizan. Wonderful. Let's make small sentences now. I wake up at 7. Zane. I wake up at 7. Faizan. I brush my teeth. Zane. I brush my teeth. Faizan. I eat breakfast. Zane. I eat breakfast. Faizan. I go to work. Zane. I go to work. Faizan. I come home. Zane. I come home. Faizan. I sleep at night. Zane. I sleep at night. Faizan. Excellent. Zane. That was fun. Faizan. Let's make a short story. Every morning, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep. Oh, that's easy to understand. Faizan. Yes, and you can say your own story too. Zane. Okay. Every morning, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I sleep. Perfect. Part 7. Review. Great work today, everyone. Let's review everything we learned. Yes, Let's do it. First, greetings. We say, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye, bye. Easy and useful. Then we learned numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count now. Then, days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days. After that, we learned common objects. Book, pen, chair, table. I see all of them around me. Good. Then food and drinks. Apple, banana, rice, bread, water, juice. Delicious words. And finally, daily activities. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, come home, sleep. That's my day. And finally, Faison, yes, you did great, Zane, and our listeners did great too. Thank you, Faison. I learned a lot today. Faison, you're very welcome. Learning English step by step is easy. Just listen, repeat, and practice every day. Faison, you're very welcome. Learning English step by step is easy. Forgiveness. Learning English step by step is easy. Just listen, repeat, and practice every day. Don't be confused by a step-by-step level 9. Understanding I am speaking of. Confidence, independence, and comfort. Right now, Soren, I'll do that. Faison, remember, don't be afraid to speak. Even small words are big steps in learning. Faison, yes, practice every day. Good job, everyone. Faison, goodbye, friends. Faison, bye-bye. See you next time. Keep learning English. End of sentence. See.